There have been hundreds of extreme risk protection orders filed across the state in the 2 years since Minnesota lawmakers passed the red flag law. It allows family members and law enforcement to ask the court to temporarily take someone's firearms away if they're a threat to themselves or others. New at 5, Caroline Cummings shows us how police are pushing for changes they say will improve it.
Just by the sheer numbers, I think it's having an impact.
Richfield Police Chief Jay Henthorne has seen firsthand how the so-called red flag gun law is being put to use. In 2024, according to court data, 138 extreme risk protection order petitions were filed. That more than doubled in 2025 with 314 petitions. And so far in the first 2 months of this year, 60 cases. Most of the time, a judge granted the requests.
I think that's why we're seeing the increase, because I think it's a tool that's being successful.
But Henthorne says it could be better. He's the president of the Minnesota Chiefs of Police Association, which is asking the legislature for updates to the 2-year-old law. Right now, certain family members and only top cops like chiefs or sheriffs can make the petitions. A proposal advancing at the Capitol would expand which family members can file and allow any law enforcement officer to do so.
We feel that once they're there, it's easier to do it on site, get the paperwork done, get the petition to the judge, and then at that point, hopefully get the ERPO signed and take care of the situation.
Other changes being considered, allowing extreme risk protection orders for up to 5 years instead of the current maximum of 1 year in certain circumstances, requiring judges consider petitions for emergency relief even after hours or on weekends, and removing an old rule that law enforcement has to reimburse a person for the value of their seized guns.
How costly is that going to be for a department, any department, to be able to provide that fair market value to those individuals that surrendered those guns? Do they have it in their budget?
In a statement, the National Rifle Association issued a strong opposition, writing in part, quote, "These red flag laws have done nothing to stop violence in Minnesota that we have seen in the headlines since their passage just a few years ago." Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
There are bills with the changes in both the House and the Senate. Other gun measures, like an assault weapons ban, are unlikely to pass at the divided Capitol.